Hello and welcome back to my another unboxing video. In this video I'm going to share with you Blue Yeti microphone quick unboxing and review. So let's take a look. This is my Blue Yeti microphone box, how exactly looks like. Now I'm going to unboxing this box and let me see what inside we're getting in this box. So I'm going to try to open this box here slowly. Can see inside there is another box which will our Blue Yeti microphone. So I'm going to take this out. Okay, here we go. Inside this we're getting a USB connector to connect our microphone. Let me try to pull it out. You can see this is the cable which will help you to connect from Blue Yeti microphone to our computer. So this is the cable connection, and let me try to see what else we're getting inside this box. We're getting here a Blue Yeti microphone user guide, how we can exactly use this microphone, and then let me see what inside we're getting here. Here we're getting our that beautiful Blue Yeti microphone. Here we go. This is how exactly looks like our Blue Yeti microphone. And after all, we see there is nothing else. Let me see now jump over to my Blue Yeti microphone. You can see this is the microphone which is Blue Yeti, how beautiful and stylish looks. So this is actually, they make it for packing. They pull it like this. You have to first of all make it loose. So after loose, you can see easily move this microphone with your proper direction. You can easily move it. Here we go. This is our Blue Yeti microphone and how exactly looks like. Now I'm going to see over how this Blue Yeti looks like and etc. things. There we go. This is finally, I had successfully unboxing this Blue Yeti microphone. After unboxing, we're getting our Blue Yeti microphone over here. And also we're getting a USB cable which will connect it from here to our PC to record our voice, and also we're getting inside this box a user guide or instruction guide which will help you to understand about this Blue Yeti microphone. We know this Blue Yeti microphone, there is a 4 direction. You can easily use this, all these details writing over here. You can use this mic with stereo mode, with duet mode, with omnidirectional mode or bidirectional mode. Let me jump over by side this Blue Yeti microphone. You can see this microphone, you can easily adjust from here. This is the screw which will help you to move the microphone direction. You can make this microphone like this or bring it here or etc. So easily you can readjust the microphone the way you want. So easily after that finishing process, you can easily make it tight. And this is the view where we'll see there is a 2 pattern. One is gain, which will allow you to increase or decrease the volume. And after that, we're getting here a pattern, and we're getting here 4 pattern. With this microphone, you can use this Blue Yeti microphone with 4 directional. So that's quite impressive with this microphone. This is the first one, is your stereo mode, which will help you to source direction sound, and another is this one is duet mode, which will allow to you broadcast or voice cover or voice or instrument. Also you'll see there is also a omnidirectional mode. This is the omnidirectional mode, and the other one, the last one, is bidirectional mode. So bidirectional mode is like an interview. If you're using you can use this microphone with the both person. If you are in interview, you can easily use this bidirectional mode. So anytime, any direction, you can easily change it from here. If you want to change it from bidirectional mode to omnidirectional mode, you can easily make it like this, and it will cover up omnidirectional mode. If you want to calibrate mode, it will help you to, you can easily make it. Also, you can see this gain, which will increase or decrease the volume. And let me see what else in this microphone. You can see here we have the connection. You can use this microphone whenever you record or do something, podcast, etc. You can easily connect your microphone and it will appear there. And also you can see here also the connector, which you have to connect the cable from here. Easily you can connect with this cable right over here, and then you have to connect the USB with your computer, which will help you to convert or change the voice over your computer. Also, let me see the other side we're getting. If you go over the other side, we'll see here there is a Blue Yeti, a microphone, a mute or unmute button, and also the volume button. Whenever you record something, or whenever you use connect with the microphone, you can hear the voice or readjust the volume from here. And in this microphone, you can overly use this microphone all the sides. If you think that this will help you to record the microphone, that's not correct. The microphone is over around, so you can use this microphone around. You can make it any mode, and which will help you to record your voice. And easily you can see easily, if you are looking for a best or cheap microphone, this will be best choice for you. Create and express yourself with the Blue Yeti USB microphones. Yeti microphones produce pristine studio quality recording with legendary ease. There are 4 different patterns offering flexibility to record vocals, music, broadcast audio for video and interviews, all of which would normally equal multiple microphones. Whether you are recording at home or on the road, the Yeti help you produce studio quality recording every time. A simple yet powerful, effective tools for content creator. The Blue Microphones Yeti is a USB mic offering a broadcast quality sound, a rush design, and multiple recording modes to suit your needs. This mic, offered here in a silver finish, has become a go-to for people who record, broadcast, or who stream on YouTube, Twitch, Facebook Live, and other similar platforms. Just now you are listening the voice I am recording with my new Blue Yeti microphone. If you are looking for a microphone with budget, with good stylist, or all-in-one microphone, definitely Blue Yeti will be your best choice. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.